Great colours to be seen, and they were observed last night actually as far south as Cornwall. The strongest images though seen across northern Scotland. Things generally tend to be more intense the further north you go across the UK. But looking at our weather chart at the moment, you think, oh, perhaps perfect conditions, high pressure. That normally means a lot of fine weather, but it doesn't necessarily equate to crystal clear skies. And at the moment, we've got a northeasterly wind coming around our area of high pressure, picking up some moisture off the North Sea, producing quite a bit of cloud and also some showers. Quite a leopard print effect to our satellite picture there at the moment. Many areas seeing the cloud passing over, then glimmers of sunshine coming in, but some showers to come for the northeast of England, I think in the Midlands this afternoon, some to the far southeast as well, and the northeasterly wind does need factoring in. On a thermometer, you'll see 9 or 10 degrees. Outside, it'll feel closer to 5 or 6. Through this evening and overnight, again, indicators of a strong aurora to the north of the UK, even again, I think possibly visible to the south. Best areas to try and get the clear skies, probably somewhere in the southwest of England and again to the northwest of Scotland. Also, though, where you get the clearer skies, expect a frost to develop overnight. And that goes really for any spots that see breaks in the cloud as we move into the small hours of Tuesday. And then here is Tuesday daytime. Again, it looks like Western Scotland will be favoured for some of the best of the sunshine. Perhaps a bit more bit more cloud drifting further south into England and Wales. And again, a chance of some showers coming in off the North Sea. Temperatures very similar to today. That wind still with us, so still that slightly chillier feel to proceedings. And even as we look at the middle of the week, this area of high pressure still with us. There's not a lot really going on in our weather this week. The changes day on day are fairly subtle. There's quite a lot of clouds still getting pulled in off the North Sea. Perhaps our showers focusing a little more on the northeast of England through Wednesday. Perhaps the wind to the south just a little lighter, but still overall a slightly chillier feel to proceedings, I suppose, than many of us would expect as we get into the start of March. Later on in the week, the high does wriggle around a little bit. The isobars open up to the south, so maybe lighter winds to the south on Thursday. By Friday, though, it looks like we could be tapping into some northerly winds. So perhaps on Thursday, lighter wind in the south, could feel a touch milder. By Friday, though, we pick up a northerly wind, and I think we're pretty much back to square one. So in summary, for the week ahead, overall, we're dominated by dry weather. It could feel quite chilly in the northeasterly wind, but look out particularly for some pockets of frost by night. Keep an eye tonight there for the aurora, if you're lucky.